Acid Cycle by Lauren, Rachel, and Alison. The breakdown of glucose is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 equals 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy.
In the mitochondria, pyruvate oxidizes into acetyl-CoA. The citric acid cycle, acetyl-CoA enters the citric acid cycle, aka the Krebs cycle. The cycle oxidizes pyruvate, slowly releasing energy. Electrons sent to NAD is taken to the electron transport chain. Each turn of the cycle yields 1 ATP, carbon released as CO2.
The 8-step cycle is a completion of 8 steps. 1 turn of the cycle equals ATP formed. Enzymes stored in the mitochondria. The NADH takes electrons to electron transport chain.
Chemiosis is electrons transport chain forms H gradient. This gradient powers ATP synthase. ATP synthase forms ATP, process called chemiosis. Osmosis equals flow of H across a membrane. Proton enters ATP synthesis, causing it to spin. It works like a water wheel. Spinning causes Pi to attach to ADP, equaling ATP.
Chemiosis. As ATP is made, H plus granadite equalizes. Granadite replenishes as more electrons enter electron transport chain. Electrons harvest during citric acid cycle and glycolysis must take in electrons in form of food.
The food goes to glycolysis, that equals 2 ATP, then it goes to pyruvate, then forming the citric acid cycle, going into the hydrogen cycle. Oh, not hydrogen cycle. Then it goes to the electron transport chain, going into the inner mitochondria, and finally going to 36 to 38 ATP.
The end.
Thanks.